Today I am Beelink SER5 Pro 5825U Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful PC that delivers both performance and versatility, the Beelink SER5 Pro 5825U Mini PC might just be the perfect choice for you. This is not your average small desktop. It packs the performance of a full-sized workstation into a pocket-sized device, with a stunning balance of speed, efficiency, and modern features that make it a great fit for business, personal use, media consumption, and even light gaming. At the heart of this mini powerhouse is the AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor, built on a 7nm process with 8 cores and 16 threads, delivering speeds from 2.0 GHz up to an impressive 4.5 GHz. That means whether you're working on demanding applications like Adobe Photoshop, CAD software, video editing tools, or heavy multitasking, this machine will handle it with ease. The integrated AMD Radeon graphics further enhance its performance, allowing smooth playback of 4K video and supporting a variety of popular games like CS, Go, GTA 5, PUBG, and Dota 2. The SER5 Pro doesn't just excel in raw power. It comes equipped with 16GB of DDR4 RAM running at 3200 MHz and a fast 500GB PCIe 3.0 NVMe SSD. That combination means lightning-fast boot times, quick file transfers, and smooth multitasking. For those who need even more power, this system supports up to 64GB of DDR4 RAM and expandable storage, so you can scale it to your exact needs. Whether it's adding a secondary SSD or a traditional HDD, the upgrade options are easy to access. Connectivity is where the Beelink SER5 Pro really shines. It offers Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, delivering faster speeds, lower latency, and stable connections for multiple devices. The system is also packed with ports, 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports that deliver transfer speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, plus HDMI, DisplayPort 1.4, and USB Type-C. That means you can connect up to 3 displays simultaneously, making multitasking seamless. Imagine having a triple monitor setup for work or gaming while still keeping a clean, compact desk. Another feature worth highlighting is its design. This mini PC measures just 4.9 by 4.4 by 1.6 inches, making it one of the smallest yet most powerful PCs available. It's compact enough to fit in small spaces or be taken on the go, making it ideal for those who travel or work in tight environments. Yet despite its size, Beelink has implemented a robust cooling system with copper heat pipes and a fan to ensure the processor stays cool even under heavy load, without throttling performance. The Beelink SER5 Pro is also future-proof. With support for 4K triple display, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and plenty of ports for expansion, it's ready to meet the needs of modern workflows. Whether you're creating content, streaming high-quality video, gaming, or just doing everyday office tasks, this device delivers a desktop-class experience in a fraction of the size. In terms of practicality, it comes bundled with essentials like an HDMI cable, power adapter, user manual, and Visa mount, so you can start using it right away. The Visa mount is a thoughtful touch, allowing you to attach it to the back of a monitor for a completely clean, cable-free workstation. Ultimately, the Beelink SER5 Pro 5825U Mini PC is a remarkable blend of performance, portability, and expandability. It's ideal for users who want a compact machine without compromising on speed, connectivity, or power. Whether for home office productivity, creative work, gaming, or entertainment, it delivers exceptional value for its size and price. If you need a high-performance computer that won't take up a lot of desk space, the Beelink SER5 Pro is definitely worth considering. It's powerful, versatile, and designed to adapt to your needs, a tiny powerhouse for today's demanding digital world.